Hi everybody, I wanted to do a review of the Esho official lip doctor kit. Esho is after Dr Esho, who has a clinic in London, and he does lip fillers. He does other treatments as well, but lips are what he's known for, and he has apparently lots of celebrity clients. If you don't want to go down the lip filler route, there are alternatives, and that's what this box is all about. First of all, it comes the products look a little bit lost in here, but there was packaging in with it. But you basically have your Sculpt, which will improve the volume, your drench, which improves the moisturisation of your lips, and then you have the coat. So if you have no lip fillers, or if you do have lip fillers, you can use it either way. You would start off with the Sculpt. I had read the reviews and a lot of people said there was a problem getting the product out, but I had no problem. The only problem would be is being very gentle with this, because if you press too much, you'll get a lot of product out. You don't want that. So this is Sculpt, like I said, and this will actually enhance the lip shape. It says that it will improve the volume of your lips. Now, I'm in my 50s, in my early 50s, but I have noticed that my lips have got thinner and thinner. Don't really want to go down the lip filler route. It's just not something I'm interested in having. So I was really intrigued by this product. I have tried other products, and I've really been quite disappointed. So yes, I was eager to try this. Have tried it now for just over a week, and when I actually first put it on, I can feel a slight tingling. The more product you put on, the more it tingles, and it does swell the lips up quite a bit. It also makes the lips look quite pink, so you get this quite healthy look on your lips. However, I did find that my lips went down slightly when the product wore off. It says to use 3 times a day, so you know, if you can remember, keep it in your handbag if you're at work. Best thing to do would be to put it on after you've cleaned your teeth in the morning, then at lunchtime, and the last application before you go to bed, because you've got less chance of having a drink or eating, unless you do that in your sleep, that is. Anyway, so I've used this for over a week. Can't see much difference in the volume of my lips. It does make them look nice temporarily, though, I will say. So after this, you then put on your drench. Drench, I love that name. Drench, it kind of makes you feel like your lips are just going to be so moisturised, and this is a really lovely product. When I put this on straight after the pores, sorry, not the pores, the Sculpt, it did make my lips tingle that bit more, so I think they work quite well together. I don't have especially dry lips, but I am an avid lip balm user. I've used cheap ones, expensive ones. I like this. Whether it's worth the money, not sure, but I do like it. It just feels really, really comfortable on my lips. I must admit, I am using the Alpha H lip balm that comes in a pot, and I really like that as well. So, right, the third product is coat. I kind of thought, why have we got 2? But this one, it comes in quite a small tub, but I'll just show you. I've been using this for over a week and I've hardly got through it at all. You need such a small amount to actually moisturise your lips. Now, I use this at night before I go to bed, because if you put it on, if you use it during the day, you could put it on over lipstick, but I always think lipstick forms a bit of a barrier. I think it's best to put this on a naked lip, or use it in conjunction with the products it's designed for. So I put it on at night before I go to bed. However, if you do put it over lipstick, it does give you a beautiful gloss. Now, I would use this to put it on. Don't keep putting your fingers in it and putting it on, because every time you do that, you're putting bacteria into the pot and onto your lips. And I'm a beauty therapist, so I do tend to lecture people about things like that. But a cotton bud is fine. Keep a cotton bud, put it on, put it over your lips, put the cotton bud away. If you're wearing a mask to go into a shop, or you have to wear it for work, don't put this on, because that would feel really horrible. I would use the drench and just make sure you put a tiny bit on if you do wear a mask. So what did I like about these products? I like the fact they are designed by a doctor who specialises in, you know, lips, and who treats them day in, day out. He would really know his stuff. I like it because if you go into, say, if you were going to buy something from L'Oreal or Nivea or wherever else, you would be buying a product designed for a certain part of your body, but that industry does that something for everything. It doesn't just concentrate on that one area. So that's what I like about this. The other thing I liked was the fact I didn't have to pay postage packing. It was on a special deal, so I got to try it, because with the thickness of the box, that is not a small letter, that is a small package, which is £3.20 or £4.20 if you're going first class. So that I liked about it. It was on 3 easy pays. I think the total was £45, 3 easy pays of £15. So it is very good value for money. Like I said, I've used it for just over a week. I think you would probably need to try this for over a month, because it takes a month for your skin to get used to products, because all the time you're treating it, your skin is changing. So use it for a month. I think it's a 60-day money guarantee back now on QVC. I might be wrong, but I think it is. So you could safely try it for a month and see if you like it. If you don't, then send it back. But be religious applying it. It's one of these things that you need to remember to do, especially with a Sculpt that you're using to increase the volume. It's no good putting it on once a day. You need to put it on 3 times a day, like it says. If you put it on once a day for a month and you think, oh, you haven't followed the instructions, always follow the instructions. They're there for you to get the best use of the product out. So that's basically it. I will see what my lips are like in a month, and I will do another video and let you know. But I'm going to persevere with this because they are lovely products, and they're, you know, it's a prestigious brand. You're buying from a qualified doctor, so there you go. Anyway, I hope that helps you decide whether you're going to buy it or how to use it, and I would really love to hear your comments. Thank you so much for watching. I have got some videos on a well-known channel reviewing other products, and it's Anna Marie Norris. So if you want to have a look at my other products, things that I review, or ask me any questions about skincare, I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much.